Hey Techie TikTok teachers, it's Susan Vincentz here from Tech Imaginations, and it's time for another Thoughtful Thursday question for this week. So this week's question is an easy one. Are you on Team iOS or are you on Team Android? Which is it? Share with me in the comments or stitch here or comment wherever you're listening to this. And don't forget to follow me on my YouTube channel, Susan Vincentz-Tech Imagination, for more tech tutorials. So you want to know my preference? I'm an Android person when it comes to mobile devices. I love my Apple laptop, my OS for Mac, but when it comes to mobile devices, tablets, and phones, I'm an Android user because I like the Google platform. I'm a Google for Workspace education user, so I like my Android platform, OS on my phone and on my tablet to do that. So again, share with me in the comments which one is your favorite, iOS or Android. Let us know which one's your team. And again, don't forget to follow me on my YouTube channel or at my website on techimaginations.net. See you soon. Have an awesome week.